Hi, this is Ken Stewart, and welcome to Your Health Matters. That's the group Chicago from the year 1969 with their hit song, Does Anybody Really Know What Time It Is? Hard to believe that song will be 50 years old next year. Speaking of time, the year is 1953. The Academy Awards are broadcast for the first time on television. Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay become the first two people to reach the summit of Mount Everest, the world's tallest mountain. Queen Elizabeth ascends to the throne in England. Ian Fleming publishes his first James Bond novel, Casino Royale. Russia tests its first H-bomb, the Korean War ends, and Jonas Salk develops the first polio vaccine. But one event in February of 1953 will affect the world for future generations to come like no other. The discovery of the double helix structure of DNA, the molecule containing human genes, by Cambridge University scientists James Watson, an American molecular biologist and geneticist, and Francis Crick, a British molecular biologist, biophysicist, and neuroscientist, a milestone that many consider the greatest discovery of the 20th century, and which gave rise to modern molecular biology. In his best-selling book, The Double Helix, Watson later claimed that Crick announced the discovery by walking into the nearby Eagle pub and blurting out that we had found the secret of life. The truth wasn't that far off, as Watson and Crick had solved a fundamental mystery of science: how DNA was structured and how it was possible for genetic instructions to be held inside organisms and passed from generation to generation, a discovery that led to Watson and Crick winning the Nobel Prize in Physiology in 1962. We've all heard of DNA, but few of us know what it really is and why it's important. DNA, which is short for deoxyribonucleic acid, is a long molecule that contains our unique genetic code. Like a recipe book, it holds the instructions for making all the proteins and molecules essential for our growth, development, and health. Today, DNA is considered far more than just a molecule. It's the master molecule of life, and it has become the icon of the modern biosciences. Understanding its structure and how it functions has fundamentally changed our world, resulting in the development of a completely new field of research, molecular genetics. One important consequence of molecular genetics has been the creation and development of DNA testing or genetics testing. While we're familiar with it being used to match blood, hair, or saliva in order to catch criminals, identify bodies when the identity of a person is not known, or determine paternity, thanks to the mapping of the human genome, something thought not possible several decades ago, and advancements in technology, DNA testing has now moved into the mainstream of the medical world and is the future of preventive health. Today, there are now tests available to assess the genetic risk of various medical conditions and diseases such as Alzheimer's, Parkinson's, breast cancer, celiac disease, age-related macular degeneration, and a number of blood diseases. Information which may help people to make decisions about lifestyle choices or to assist in discussions with a healthcare professional. Just as important, the science and research behind DNA testing as it relates to lifestyle and wellness biomarkers has now progressed to the point of understanding specific genes dictating how the human body processes carbohydrates, fat, protein, various nutrients and micronutrients, etc., and how specific genes determine the effectiveness of certain fitness activities. As a result, it is now possible to take that information and create customized or personalized nutritional supplements, skincare and anti-aging products, and fitness programs that are based on the results of your DNA tests and tailored to your unique DNA. The field of science out of which DNA customization has emerged is called nutrigenomics, which is the study of the relationships between nutrition, the response of genes, and their combined effects on overall health and behavior. And it's destined to revolutionize the trillion-dollar global anti-aging, health and wellness market, and how people purchase supplements and products. Now, for the first time, nutrigenomics and custom-designed or personalized nutrition meets network marketing. And one company is uniquely positioned to be the global leader in this new approach to health, wellness, anti-aging, and supplements. And that company is called Utopia. Founded by Ron Williams, who has over 25 years of experience in the network marketing industry as an owner, CEO, and distributor, And headquartered in the state of Utah in the U.S., Utopia is now launching with an innovative new business model that will revolutionize the purchase of supplements and the trillion-dollar health, wellness, and anti-aging market, creating network marketing's hottest new opportunity in the process. Today, millions of people are using dietary supplements and skincare and anti-aging products to help protect their health and to look and feel younger. Research shows most of us are simply guessing when it comes to purchasing these products. We choose off-the-shelf or one-size-fits-all type products based on an ad we saw, an article we read, or because it worked for someone we know. Products that aren't specific to our particular needs. And so we wind up with too much of some ingredients and not enough of others. We often miss finding the key nutrients we really need and just waste our money in the process. What works for one person doesn't necessarily work for another, and that's because of differences in our genes. Now, thanks to Utopia, you can finally eliminate the guesswork and discover what will work for you. Because when you join as a member, your starter pack contains a DNA testing kit. And once it arrives, you create a personal account online, register your kit and order a DNA report, take a 60-second DNA test, which involves swabbing the inside of your left and right cheeks, label your swabs, and then mail them to one of Utopia's modern state-of-the-art lab partners. In addition, your DNA testing kit also contains a product called Pretrition, which is designed to cleanse your system and prepare it for the customized nutritional supplement you'll be able to order. Once the lab receives your swabs, they look at 18 key genetic markers known as SNPs, or single nucleotide polymorphisms, or SNPs for short. SNPs are tiny variants in your genes that cause them to function differently from the norm. These SNPs can have long-term effects on how your body functions and ages. Using cutting-edge technology and the latest in scientific research, they've developed the ability to match those SNPs in your genes with key ingredients that would offset, bypass, or beneficially support the effects that those SNPs have on your health and skin. And as a result of state-of-the-art proprietary software, they're able to create a custom-made or personalized product based on the results of your DNA test and your specific needs. Your one-of-a-kind formula is unique, just one of 400 million possible combinations. And it's designed using over 100 plant-based, clinically studied ingredients, plus vitamins and minerals. And the best part is, you can have it delivered right to your doorstep every month. In the 1970s, there was the vitamin and mineral revolution, in large part thanks to Nobel Prize-winning chemist Linus Pauling and his popular book, Vitamin C and the Common Cold. In the 1980s, there was the herbal revolution. In the 1990s came the antioxidant revolution. In the first decade of the new millennium, there was the superfood revolution, with a number of exotic fruits such as mangosteen, the acai berry, the goji berry, and ingredients like resveratrol, green tea, and turmeric garnering widespread publicity and popularity. Those who capitalized on opportunities related to those revolutions went on to earn tremendous incomes, with some companies becoming billion-dollar giants. As we prepare to enter the third decade of the new millennium, nutrigenomics and the customization or personalization of supplements and anti-aging products based on one's DNA is poised to revolutionize the health, wellness, and anti-aging industries, and how people purchase supplements and anti-aging products. What Amazon.com did to revolutionize the traditional retail business model, Utopia is about to do to the supplement and trillion-dollar health, wellness, and anti-aging industry. And like those revolutions before it, Utopia has the potential to create fortunes for those who have the vision and the foresight to position now and take action. Well, that sound means our time is up. I hope you enjoyed today's show. For more information on Utopia, their DNA testing and personalized supplements, or details on their exciting business opportunity, contact your independent Utopia distributor. This is Ken Stewart for Your Health Matters. Here's Boz Scaggs and the song Lowdown from his 1976 album Silk Degrees. Thanks for listening.